All right, guys, today we're going to be reviewing a yellow resin sculpture. This is for home decor. So this is a very nice decoration for home. This one is a little yellow bird. It's made out of resin. Has a little butterfly with a flower. You can see here. It's very nice to have on your bookshelf or in the entrance of the house. It's nice and bright to bring on really nice and warm feeling to people that comes in your house. It's a great gift for your mom or your grandma or anybody that likes birds. It's a very happy decoration. So wherever you put it, it's going to be a happy feeling because it's a really nice bright color and it will bring happiness to the space that you're trying to decor. Like I said, you can put it around books or magazines or in the corner of the house in the beginning. The entrance of the house is well made. Price is nice. They have different colors. So they have, I think it's 4 or 5 different colors that you can pair with this one. So you have more of a color palette of the little birds. So if you're looking for home decor to give that little nice warm happiness to your space, it's a great item to get. So I hope this video helped and thank you for watching.